Here I have INFINIX Smart 6 HD, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to open upper bar. Just please let me use it. Here you have to find the button screen recorder, hold your finger on it. Here you can change some first settings. For example, you can select sound, like you can record silent screen recording or voiced screen recording. And you can also change picture quality and enable record screen click position. So to start recording, just tap on this button once. Like here you can also select a sound source. And after the countdown, the recording starts. So let's, record something. For example, our settings list. So yeah, so interesting settings. Here you can see these, like how it was called, touch positions or something like that. This circle that follows my finger. So to stop recording, tap on this button once again, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the screen record folder, and here it is. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.